to look around. Cause y'all done must have bumped y'all head. I hate to see y'all looking raggedy, hair and makeup all jacked up. Check our credentials. We provide everything you want and need. Even the other artists say we good artists. All we need to know is why.
Why don't you book us? Tell me, baby, why won't you book us when we make it so damn easy to book? All right now, all right. Why won't you book us? Tell me, baby, why won't you book us when we make it so damn easy to book? Yeah! There's nothing not to love about us. I said there's nothing not to love about us. Yeah, book now, bitch. In your face, bitch. I don't give a fuck what you say, bitch. Cause I knock it out in your face, bitch.